there, I locked my keys in my car. Can you help me?
I can't, but I always call Nashville Auto Lockout Service when I lock my keys in my car. They are fast and beat all competitors' prices.
Great. How can I reach them?
You can call 615-779-3275 anytime 24/7. They serve the Nashville, Davidson County area.
Great. I will call them now. Thank you so much.
No problem. Don't forget the number. That's 615-779-3275 for all your auto lockout needs. Call anytime, day or night, they are waiting to serve you.
Sure beats using a coat hanger, ha ha ha.